So we have our special guest here, Marcel. Amazing. Just a couple weeks ago, wasn't it?
Yes.
One of us was asleep.
Yes.
So tell us, you drove in from out of state, and what was it that you were looking for?
I was looking for a full mouth restoration.
Okay.
I was looking-
And you got it.
I got it. Beautiful.
Yeah.
I'm very happy.
Awesome. So you had told me something that being in Ohio, the technology may not be the same. You're looking at full arch reconstruction, and you said something to me now that you didn't tell me before. What was that as far as these other offices?
Everybody is about between 18,000 and 20,000 more expensive than you are.
More. I
Yes.
wish I would have known that
Yes.
before.
Yes.
Well, it's amazing because technology allows us to do things better, easier, quicker, and evidently $20,000 less than
Yes.
people in Ohio.
Yes, that's the reason I'm here.
Wow.
It's like you have an issue with your vehicle,
Yeah.
and you ask around, do you know a good mechanic?
Right.
I was asking around, and I was researching for a good doctor,
Yes.
and I found you.
Awesome.
Yeah.
That's great. So you actually believe what you found online?
Exactly, I do believe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So-
everything is accurate. Everything
We're
is
2 weeks out. We're
Yes.
going to see you back in maybe another month or so. At the 3-month mark, we'll start fitting you for the zirconia teeth. We're going to look at a FP1 design, which is what we plan for. So someone who's been thinking about this procedure that's been struggling, what's something for you to tell them to get off their butt, hit the car, hit the plane, and come on over to see us?
Yeah, well, before the surgery, I was probably not able to give good advice. But after the surgery, I can give everybody good advice.
Excellent.
Don't take the pain, don't do the suffering, don't take the suffering, don't suffer. Just do it. It's
Awesome.
well worth it.
Great.
It's well worth it.
Well,
It's not painful. I was afraid. It's a big surgery.
Yeah.
Take 22 teeth out. you
That's
know,
it? Just 22?
Place implants, that's going to be something huge. You know,
Yeah.
very afraid of the process.
So we're able to 6 implants on top, 6 implants on the
Yes.
bottom, pterygoid implants
Yeah.
that are solid, done once, done right.
I was very afraid. Now I realized that it was so easy.
Yeah.
There was no pain at all after
Awesome.
the surgery.
Wow.
And I just felt good the very next day.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
So you too can be like Marcel and hop on board the SmolerXpress, where we're going to be able to take great care of you, just like we did for
Thank you
you.
very much.
Thank you.
Appreciate you and the whole team here.
Well, thank you. That
Yes.
means a lot.
Yes, thank you.
Awesome.